If you're still working harder instead of smarter in 2026, you're already behind. AI isn't going to replace professionals, but it is going to replace inefficient workflows. And today, I'm going to show you the exact smart work framework that I use to structure my work using AI tools. Hi, I'm Blessing Iroha, and I teach professionals how to work smarter using AI tools, systems, and practical digital skills. If that sounds like what you need, kindly subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get into the video. Most people use AI randomly. They just open ChatGPT when they feel stuck. They experiment occasionally. They try tools without structure. That's not smart work. Smart work is structured. My framework has three parts. There's capture, there's create, and there's systemize. Now let's break that down. Look at the first part, which is capture. This is where AI helps you gather, organize, and simplify information. Take, for instance, AI helps you to summarize your meeting notes. AI helps you to extract insights from your researches. AI helps you turn your scattered ideas into structured outlines. In this case, AI becomes your processing assistant. The second part of my smart work framework is create. This is where AI helps you accelerate production. AI can help you draft reports. AI can help you outline presentations. AI can help you generate lesson plans. AI can help you structure your proposals. You don't start from scratch. You just need to start from strategy. Now let's look at the last part of the smart work framework, and that is systemize. This is where most professionals fail. They use AI, but they don't know how to build it into their workflow. Smart work is not occasional, it is repeatable. Smart work is like having a weekly AI planning system. It is AI assisted content batching. It is automating repetitive tasks. That is where you save real time. Here's how I apply this weekly. I capture insights. I use AI to structure my week. Then I automate what I can. That saves me hours, not by working longer, but by working intelligently. If you're serious about upgrading how you work, then subscribe to my channel because in the next video, I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT for daily work tasks. See you in the next video.